Hello everyone, this is Sandian for Hanja Bible. This time we are going to see the sixth character flow E. This character. This is one of the characters of creation. Okay. In the index of the book, we are here. Yeah. 흐를 E, flow E. Okay. Yeah, this character is one stroke radical. Yeah. It's This character came from the dot, the first character you have learned, meaning sky. Okay, all the same shape. Korean Hanja, Chinese traditional, and Chinese simplified, meaning flow or stream. The pronunciation is tone number 2, E, E. In Korean language, we read this, 흐를 E. 흐를 means flow. E means pronunciation. And the symbolic analysis of this character, it's the meaning or shape that a bird or fish or insect flows upwards, upward, uh, on the strength of water or air. Yeah, so the flow came from this narration. It's the meaning or shape that a bird or fish or insect flows upwards on the strength of water or air. And the dictionary meaning, flow upward, fly, and stream. The hidden meaning of this character is important. Please try to remember: move, operate, interact. Okay. Also, this character changes in stroke in some characters. For example, this character flow E. In some characters, it can be shown just like this. Yeah, here. Also, can be shown just like this in this character. Yeah, table, small table. Yeah, this part. And arrow with rope in this character, it can be shown just like this. So you need to remember the stroke changes in some characters of this character. Okay, people don't teach these stroke changes. They are not shown on the list of radicals, but it's just a stroke change. So you need to remember. And the next issue is why this character has tone number 2 value. Because it is the shape of flowing or flying upwards, so tone number 2. From down to up, you are going to fly, going up, rising, or ascending. So this character has the tone number 2 value. So tone number 2, E, E, from down to up. You need to remember the hidden meaning: move, operate, or interact. Through the Bible verses, King James Version, Genesis chapter 1, 2, and the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. Moved. Okay? In this way, you can feel the hidden meanings of this character. What do you think about this type of interpretation and the tone number value analysis? Okay, thank you for your listening, and see you next time. Thank you.